Guess what?
That smile means drama or donuts.
None of those. Reza just told me we're getting a new manager.
Wait, what? What happened to Mr. Kamali?
He's moving to head office next month.
Wow. Didn't see that coming.
Same here. And the new manager, it's a she.
Interesting. Do we know her?
Nope. She's coming from another company.
I hope she's not super strict.
Well, Reza said she's professional but nice.
Okay. That sounds promising.
I just hope she likes coffee.
Why?
So I can win her heart with my famous latte.
Ah. Clever plan.
Always thinking ahead, my friend.
Let's survive this week first. You okay, Masa? You look a bit stressed.
Yeah, it's the green tech project. We're behind schedule.
How far behind are we?
3 days. And we have to present it on Thursday.
Yikes, that's tight.
I stayed late yesterday, but the data analysis part still needs work.
Want me to help with that? I'm pretty good with Excel.
Seriously, that would be amazing.
Just send me the file. I'll work on the graphs and clean up the tables.
You're the best. I owe you coffee.
Deal. 1 large cappuccino.
I'll also need to fix the summary slide. It's way too long.
Try to keep it to 3 bullet points. Simple and clear.
Good idea. And what about the intro?
Start with the problem, then move to the solution.
Right. Classic structure.
Exactly. You got this.
Thanks, Arash. Working with you makes this easier.
Teamwork, baby.
We just got an email from the new manager.
Already. What does it say?
Hold on, let me read it.
I'm listening.
Hello team, I'm excited to join you next week. I'd love to hear your ideas on how we can grow together.
Whoa, that sounds modern.
Right, it's not the usual formal stuff.
I actually like it. Feels human.
She even added, don't be shy, send me your thoughts anytime.
Wow, she's inviting open communication.
Exactly. That's a big change from Mr. Kamal.
Yeah. He used to write like a robot.
Should we reply?
Maybe a short, welcome to the team, message.
Good idea. Professional but friendly.
Want me to write it and you check?
Perfect. Teamwork again.
Okay, I'll say, welcome to the team. We're looking forward to working with you.
Short and sweet. I love it. Let's hope she likes us.
With your coffee and my emails. We're unstoppable.
Okay, Arash, let's practice. If she asks you to introduce yourself, what will you say?
Maybe something like, "Hi, my name is Arash. I work in the design team."
Good start. Add what you actually do.
Okay. I work on product design, user experience, and interface improvements.
Nice. That sounds professional.
Your turn.
Alright, hi, I'm Marsa. I'm part of the marketing team. I focus on digital campaigns and brand strategy.
That's solid. You sound like a boss.
I've practiced in front of the mirror.
Do you think we need to add personal stuff, like hobbies?
Maybe something short, like, outside of work, I enjoy hiking and photography.
Got it. So, in my free time, I like playing guitar and watching movies.
That's perfect. Shows personality.
Should we keep it under a minute?
Yes. Short, clear, confident.
Let's practice one more time. I'll pretend to be the manager.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hi Marsa, can you tell me a bit about yourself?
Sure. I'm Marsa from the marketing team. I work on digital strategy and creative content. In my free time, I enjoy hiking and photography.
Wow, nailed it.
That's it. The first meeting with the new manager is done.
Not bad at all. I actually liked her approach.
Same here. She seems open, direct, and super organized.
And I loved that she asked us about challenges in the project.
Right. That shows she really wants to improve things.
So, what's our next step?
We need to send her that short report by tomorrow.
Got it. I'll handle the design updates. You cover the campaign results.
Deal. Let's keep it clear and simple.
Oh, and don't forget to thank her for the meeting in the email.
Of course. First impressions matter.
Alright then, let's wrap it up.
Great job today, Arash.
Same to you, Marsa. Let's keep this energy going.
Back to our desks.
Yep, work never stops. Thanks everyone, great input today. Have a great rest of the day.
Good job team. See you around.